Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is Cookie DAO coin or Cookie coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So current price is $0.04959. It is down by 12%. Rank is around 588 position. Around 35k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $31.51 million. It is up by 3%. Volume in 24 hours is $7.18 million. It is up by 68%. So now we'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart, and let me draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line, okay. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. And if you go to the weekly chart, you can see that previously the candles went to the resistance level, fall happened, again it went up, and now you can see continuously the candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see previously the candles were moving in the upward direction, and then breakout happened, then candles started falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support resistance trend line, okay. And you can see after the candles went to the resistance level, continuously the candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see up, this is the uptrend, and then after you can see the downtrend started. So this is the support trend line, okay. So you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the daily chart, you can see very clearly that candles are falling in this channel pattern. So you can see that previously the candle start taking support here, then it went to the resistance level, fall happened, again it went up, fall, and continuously the candles are falling, okay, in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line, okay. You can see this is the support trend line, and it was moving in this channel pattern for some time, and then you can see the breakout happened, and now candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So you can see that, and so here you can see candles after hitting this resistance trend line, so candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is support and this is the resistance, and if there is a breakout happen, candles may go up, again the fall may take place. So like this is the fall, and if there is a breakout happen, candles may start moving towards this resistance level, which is around 0.7211. So this will be the resistance. If there is a breakout, again the fall may take place. So like this it may move in this downtrend channel pattern. So like this it may move, and once the breakout happens from here, it may start moving towards this resistance level. So previously also you can see candles were falling, and after the breakout it has gone up to the resistance level, okay, and then continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. And once the breakout happens, it may go to the resistance level, again the fall may take place. So like this the candles are moving in this channel pattern, okay. So like this is moving, and after the breakout it may start moving towards the resistance level, and then fall may take place. So you can see very clearly how this candles are moving. So now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is Thought Chain coin or RUNE coin. And you can see current price is $0.6264. It is down by 11%. Rank is around 154 position. Around 330k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $219 million, and the volume in 24 hours is $27.72 million. It is down by 47%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, okay, and you can see the candles were moving in upward direction previously. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only it was moving, and then you can see the breakout happened. Now you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line, okay. So if you go to the weekly chart, you can see this is the support, okay, and this is the resistance, okay. So you can see that very clearly, and after the breakout candles were falling in this channel pattern. So you can see this is the channel pattern. It was moving after the breakout, and then from this channel pattern breakout happened, candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance, okay. and after the breakout again the candle started moving up. So this is the support and this is the resistance, and then you can see the breakout happened, okay, and then candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is support and this is the resistance, okay. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, so you can see that. And here you can see after the breakout the candles have gone up to this it has started moving in upward direction, and then you can see breakout happened, then candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support resistance trend line. So here you can see that almost the candles at the support level. So if there is a breakout happens, then candles may start moving in a upward direction. So like this it may move in this channel pattern, so a little sideways, okay, and then after the breakout the candles may start moving towards this resistance level is around 9.01. so again the fall may take place. So clearly you can see how this candles are moving. So currently you can see candles almost at support level. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may fall further in this downtrend channel pattern if the breakout doesn't happen. So you can see that. And since the fall is happening, RSI is also falling. When the reversal takes place, you may see a breakout and candles may start moving in a upward direction. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.